Hello, welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So, ito po ang ating general reading for Taurus. This is money and love reading for October 2022. Take only what resonates. Okay, sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe sa ating channel, pahit na lang po ng subscribe at ang notification bell. Ma-appreciate ko yung likes ninyo, comments ninyo, pa-heart-heart ninyo, smileys, ganyan. Nagpapakita yan ng malaking suporta sa akin. So, maraming salamat po. Sana mag-iwan kayo ng comments. So, yan. Let's start your reading for Taurus. Simulan natin sa iyong money, Taurus. Money reading for Taurus. Kung gusto mo ng personal reading, Jing Tarot Trader, paka-search na lang po sa Facebook for Taurus, please. For Taurus. Spirit guides, angel guides for Taurus, please. Okay, thank you. Let's start your reading for Taurus. This is for money. Money, career reading for Taurus. Ano naghihintay sa'yo October 2022? The moon. Someone is not being completely honest with you. Hindi siya nagiging honest sa'yo. Itong taong ito. Pwede may dami niya tinatago The Eight of Swords. And hindi ko nakikita ang sasabihin niya sa'yo yung totoo with the King of Swords kasi marunong siya mautak siya. Hindi niya para sabihin sa'yo yung totoo. But be careful with this person. With the maramdam mo sa kanya or mararamdaman mo sa kanya kung siya ay nagiging totoo at kung talaga bang totoo yung mga sinasabi niya sa'yo. But be very mindful. May magkakaroon ka ng parang feeling or kutob. Trust your instinct, your intuition regarding this person. Kasi hindi lang siya nagiging honest sa'yo. Be careful. With over the Eight of Cups. Ayan. Masyado siyang advance or meron siyang mga babanggitin regarding the future and I don't feel like katiwa-tiwala yon. Parang part of you is that, pwedeng pwedeng pagpaplano or maybe may kinalaman sa investment. I can see this person na nagpe-present sa'yo but be careful about this person kasi with the Nine of Swords, pwedeng trauma or troubles, problema lang ang idulot niyan para sa'yo. So, huwag tayo masyado. Lalo na kung, halimbawa, kaibigan, gagamitin niya yung pagiging magkaibigan ninyo, be careful. Hindi pwedeng yun lang Kailangan, lalo na kung usapan is pera, medyo mahirap na Minsan nasisira rin ang pagkakaibigan dahil sa pera. Marami nang nasira ang pera, Kaya, hindi dahil porke magkaibigan is dapat mo na siyang pagkatiwalaan. Minsan, pakiramdaman mo rin kung dapat ba talaga or hindi na pagkatiwalaan nitong taong to. High chance na hindi kasi So anyway, what do we have here for Taurus? Pagdating sa career, tell me more about Taurus for their career and money reading, please. Spirit guides, angel guides. For Taurus. I can see celebration. Nakakita tayo ng celebration dito. With a friend, with the Three of Cups. So, that could be occasions, party, invitation, na may kinalaman sa okasyon. Ayan, and pwedeng you will be invited. So, may mga invitation dadating sa'yo. And with the King of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius energy. This is regarding your business. Maybe you're a businessman, businesswoman. Para dun sa businessman, businesswoman, we do have here the Six of Pentacles. Meron malayo sa'yo ang pwedeng possible tulungan mo. And this person is malayo pa, but meron na siya mga plano with the Two of Pentacles, Two of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Okay, last message for money and career, please, for October 2022. For Taurus. Tapos proceed tayo sa love after this. Okay, we do have here the Death card, Scorpio energy. Something is going to end with the Knight of Swords. I can see a person. This could be a family member na parang kina-cut off ka. But I can see an ending towards that. Or, a beautiful connection with the family, pero pwede may pagkakalayo na mangyari or may pagta-travel na gagawin itong person na ito. Beautiful connection between the two of you sa inyo ng pamilyang ito. Pero pwedeng magkaroon ng pagkakalayo. Kasi pag travel ng kung sino man sa inyo. Anyway, let's move on for Taurus. Money. Ay, love na pala tayo. Taurus in love, please. What do we have here for Taurus in love? For Taurus in love, please. What do we have here for Taurus in love? What do we have here for Taurus in love? For Taurus in love. Thank you, Spirit Guides, Angel Guides. Please, for Taurus in love. Wala shuffle. Simulan na po natin. For Taurus in love. Thank you, Spirit Guides, Angel Guides. Ano meron sa Taurus in love? Kunin muna natin yung iyong main energy. Knight of Cups. You're feeling a lot of love here. I mean, nakikita din tayong offer na paparating sa'yo. From the person that you are already loving. Kung sino man ito. I feel like someone here, hindi ko masabi kung ikaw or yung person mo. Parang hindi na masyadong sigurado dito sa connection na ito with the Three of Swords, the Nine of Wands, and the Four of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius energy. Parang hindi na masyadong sure dito sa connection na ito. But anyway, kasi pwedeng may panloloko nangyari or naganap. But the Knight of Wands is here. Nangingibabaw pa rin yung passion eh. So, although hindi na sure sa connection, but the love is still there with the Knight of Wands. Nandun pa rin yung pagmamahal galing dito sa taong to. So, hindi man ako sigurado sa connection natin, pero mahal pa rin kita. That kind of energy. And I'm seeing big change na mangyayari sa'yo regarding the Four of Pentacles. Kung ano man yung mga bagay na tinatago, kung ikaw ay nasa isang relasyon, nakikita natin na possible maungkat or mabuksan yung mga bagay na yan. And pwede magdulot yan ng malaking pagbabago sa connection or relationship ninyo with the Two of Cups and the Moon. Ayan. So, sabi ko sa'yo kanina pa lang, trust your instinct. Kasi napakalakas ng instinct mo ngayong October 2022. Nandun yung malakas na pakiramdam. Nandun yung parang, lalo na sa mga taong pakiramdam mo, parang hindi ko siya gustong pagkatiwalaan. Parang hindi ko dapat sabihin to sa kanya. Then, believe yourself. Maaaring kailangan mo yatang wag i-open yon or wag pagkatiwalaan itong taong to. So, trust your instinct. Napakalakas ng instinct mo. And, pagdating sa love, ganun din. Ang lakas ng instinct mo. Tell me about this Knight of Cups. Oh, someone here is... We do have here the Sun and the Tower. Sabi ko nga sa'yo kung ano man yung nakakarinig din ako ng word na sorry. So, I can see someone here apologizing this month of October 2022. And that would lead into this huge change here with the Tower. Malaking pagbabago. Regarding the relationship or the connection, nakikita natin na pwedeng mag-end siya, pero pwedeng at the same time magkaroon ng pagbabalik or renewal of the connection. So, ang ending with the Four of Wands, mas mapapagtibay siya this time around. Kung nagkaroon ng paghihiwalay, magkakaroon ng pagbabalik, pero this time around, this would be mas matibay na connection na relationship na there's a lot of happiness, positivity, and understanding for the both of you. So, let's talk about Taurus single. For Taurus single, please. For Taurus single. The Lovers, the Five of Pentacles. Someone is moving on from you. May nagmo-move on with the Six of Swords from this connection with the Lovers. Yan, masyado siya namumblema ngayon with the Five of Pentacles. May kinalaman sa career, may kinalaman sa money. So, actually, wala siya munang pakialam sa pagdating sa relationship, sa love ngayon. But rather, ko ano man yung pinoproblema niya pagdating sa pera, nandun muna yung focus ng taong ito sa ngayon. And I feel like you need to work on yourself with the Eight of Pentacles and the Ten of Pentacles kasi money is coming paparating yung pera para sa'yo. Pagdating sa love, medyo matamlay. Wala pa masyado tayong love na nakikita para sa'yo. But I can see definitely money here coming. So, mag-concentrate ka na lang muna sa finances mo. So, thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.